Hello everyone, welcome back to another video where we both get to explore new things. My name is Pranjali and today we'll be creating this white aesthetic festive look and using all Swiss beauty products. Finally, it's Navratri season and every day of Navratri has a specific color dedicated to it. And of course, makeup bina Navratri kaisa? Navratri look that I have created is for day 2 of Navratri and the color, as you can see, is white. If you're looking for a glam look for Navratri on a budget, then I will always recommend Swiss Beauty to you because A, it is affordable, B, it has a wide range of products. I have created this white glam look using Swiss Beauty's makeup kit. And let me tell you, it has so many products in it. So without any delay, let's get straight into the makeup. I've already done my skincare and my skin prep, so I'll be immediately going ahead to the makeup. Want to do like a brown golden glam. The first step of makeup, that is, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty Mattifying Makeup Primer. During my teens, and I was actually, discovering what makeup actually is. I used to underestimate the power of a good primer, but I think it was my sister who first pointed out to me that since you're so interested in makeup, why don't you invest in a good primer? I like to go ahead for the T-zones of my face. Honestly, I trust this primer so much because it also contains vitamin A and jojoba, which are two ingredients that can really be good for your skin. I mean, you don't have to worry about putting on makeup because you're already putting this. After the primer, we are going ahead for our base, and that is a foundation. I like to use the foundation for a full coverage for days when I feel I want to do like a glam makeup look. I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty Airbrush Finish Full Coverage Foundation, and it's in the shade Fair Ivory 2. And I'm pretty sure by now all of you must be knowing this already, that never drag your sponge or your brush, always dab with it. This foundation has definitely got the full coverage. From what I can see, it gives you a really creamy effect. It is very lightweight on your skin, so you will feel like you're not even wearing any foundation, but again, it's got that full coverage lying to every nook and corner of the face so that no part seems unblended and unnatural. But this, guys, this foundation, I have used Fair Ivory in the shade number 2. I'm loving it. I mean, it has such a glossy effect to it also. I kind of aced the base. I think eyebrow defining is a step that is extremely important in my entire makeup routine. I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil, which is in the shade 4 Grey Black. I don't know if directly doing at the camera is a good decision, but guys, I really want to show you how pigmented it is. You see the difference? When you do the first one, you don't really have expectations how it's gonna go, if it's gonna be thin or not. But when you go for the second one, that's when you need to match, and that's the difficult part. Guys, I think I have my new favorite eyebrow stick. This is amazing. I would definitely recommend this because it is so easy to blend. Now that we're done with our base and eyebrows, we'll be going ahead with the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm thinking a brown golden moment, as I already said. So I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty kit, which has everything in it, starting from highlighters to a nice shadow palette. This is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette, which has all these beautiful brown golden shades. There are about 9 shades in this palette. It has golden, it has brown, it has black as well. So if you want to do like an Indian smoky eye look as well, but since I'm not going with that today, I'm going to be going with like a golden brown glam. So I'm thinking of using this shade, the brown, the neutral one for the crease, and probably the golden for my shimmery part. So I'm going to be starting with the very light brown because I want to do my crease, and the crease head should always be like defined. Okay, the light brown is pretty pigmented. Love a good pigmented eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go with the darker brown now, to kind of smoke out the corners a little bit. But again, I don't want to use a lot. I don't want to make it a dark brown smoky eye look. I don't want that. I want like a good gold. I mean, I want the golden part to be more in this look. So I'm gonna go ahead with very minimal brown. So I'm not gonna build on the brown anymore because I want to go straight ahead with the golden moment. So in this neutral palette, that is number 5, I find there are 3 shimmery shades which are very pigmented. For the eyelids, I always like to use my fingertips. Probably gonna go with a lighter one also. I'm going to be putting it right on the center of my eyelids. Again, we'll be taking the browns, 2 browns, I mean kind of mix it in and blend it all in. Going ahead with my lower lash line because I feel it kind of really defines your eyes and makes it look bigger. Slowly kind of also blend it in with the upper part of the eyes. Next, I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty Ultra Black Longwear Non-Transfer Liquid Pen Eyeliner, and as you can see, the packaging is so good. It's very chic and royal. Don't think I'll be doing a very heavy eyeliner. It's going to be pretty minimal. It's the look we are going for. It's not too heavy. After the eyeliner, I'll be going ahead with the mascara, the Swiss Beauty mascara from the Swiss Beauty makeup kit. This is called the Swiss Beauty Precision Thickening Long Lash Mascara. So I kind of saw it somewhere that you shouldn't do this to your mascara because the air might go in and it, you know, it might dry up sooner than before. So you know, you have to take it like this, and that's how you take it out. I think good job done with the eyelashes too. They look so defined and it looks very natural as well. If you're somebody who does not like to put on false eyelashes and you're not somebody who kind of likes the look of it, I feel these mascara, they will do the task. Since I'm going for an Indian look, and what's an Indian look without a kajal? So I will use the Swiss Beauty Deep Black Kajal. Just a little bit of it, not much. I'm going to go with the Swiss Beauty Cremita blush with shea butter. It's pink, and I would like my cheeks to look pretty rosy at this moment. So I'm going to take a little bit of it on the palm of my hands. I won't be using it directly because you never know, you might go overboard with the makeup. I don't want that to happen. So this is how the blush looks. And with my hands, I'm going to dab it a little on your nose, the chin, because that way it looks even and rosy. I'm gonna again come back to the eyeshadow palette, but I'm not gonna use it on my eyes, but I'm gonna use the brown shades for the contour. I'm gonna take a little bit of the browns, and not much obviously because I don't want to go overboard with it. Seeing my mom doing her makeup and being a pro at it during the festive season, the Navratri season especially, and I am Bengali, so I'm from Kolkata, and for us this time of the year is also Durga Puja. So I mean, I've always seen my mom getting, all dressed up and with the glam makeup, and I've actually learned a lot of makeup from my mom. Swiss Beauty makeup kit also comes with these 2 lipsticks. One is a brown shade and the other one is a pink shade, but I'm feeling brown, so I will probably go with the brown shade. The lipstick that I'm going for is the Naked Brown shade 10. I've already used the Swiss Beauty highlighter in this video for the eyes, but now let's see how it goes for the face. Oh my god, and it smells so good. on the tip of the nose, not your entire nose, but just here maybe, and a little bit of highlighter here. I think I am done with the makeup. Very minimal but very elegant and subtle at the same time. So the brown golden moment that I was looking for is there. As always, I am very confused with the jewelries. I think I might go with this, but there's also this one. Now, since the makeup look is pretty subtle and minimal, I probably think going with this one, like heavy golden jewelry, would be the better idea, because even this one looks good, but then again I feel for a Navratri, I think this one definitely is the one I'm going for. So that's the look for the second day of Navratri, and of course makeup bina Navratri kaisa. Since it is day 2 of Navratri, hence I tried to keep it very subtle, classy and minimal on the makeup side. But of course you can tone it up or tone it down with the jewelries if you like. The look that I went for today was simple, easy to achieve, and I really hope you guys can try this look out as well, because honestly it will probably take you about 10 minutes or so to do this entire look, and using Swiss Beauty products. Right from my base to the highlighter, everything was from Swiss Beauty, and I couldn't thank Swiss Beauty enough for partnering with me in this video. And at the same time, I really hope you get to enjoy Navratri and Durga Puja with your loved ones, friends and family. May the wonderful occasion of Navratri be full of bright colors, prosperity, happiness for all of you. If you stumbled upon this video and are still watching it, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.